All right, here's one you won't see every day. 1947 Mercury 8 four-door wagon, also known as or Series 79M. Being sold in project form. This one does have a flathead underneath the hood, and there is also a rebuilt flathead that is going to be included in this with some other parts. The parts right now are in the back of this vehicle. Of course, you know the Woodies, when finished, have been seen going in excess of $120, $30, $40, $50,000. So pretty rare vehicle here. This one is actually one of 3,558 that were made in 1947. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of it, interior, I have the parts laid out, the trinkets, like the handles and interior pieces. What you see is what you get in the pictures as far as that goes. So check out the pictures, and they're at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. I know there's some pieces to the grill, like I said, kind of the trinkets and the trim pieces from inside, door handles, that type of thing. Show you what I'm talking about. There's the flathead in the back of it. There's an extra grill up here. There's your spare tire. Looks like some bumper guards. Intake carb in that blue topped case. That's what I'm talking about. The door handles. There's an extra piece of the grill behind the engine. It wrapped up, and I can't get to it, but there's also like a looks like a rear bumper. So that stuff is being included in it. If you want to see what's going with it, check out those still pictures. These were made, they're mostly out of ash and maple, out of Ford's forest, believe it or not. They have mahogany inlays on them. Again, nice project for somebody. Now, we do consider trades. We can also assist with getting this vehicle shipped to where you're located at. Once again, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can look it over, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, these would have the 3-speed manual transmission in them. Engine and tranny are both in it right now. It's just, it comes with the extra flathead that's been rebuilt in the rear. I think back when this car was new, coming from Mercury, this was the most expensive model they had. Check out the floors up here. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but I'll tell you it's pretty darn solid. I also believe this is being sold on bill of sale only. Check out the roof. That would have had vinyl over the top of it, but you can check out all the crossbows and supports. They look pretty good, and again, you'll be able to see those in the picture. But yes, bill of sale only, and I will put that down in the description if that is correct. And you can check with your sales associate if you call in and ask about that also. I'm going to pause this a second, just I'll flip the hood open for you so you can check out the engine bay and just see what I'm talking about underneath there. There is a flathead, not finished, not running, but let me show you what it's like under there. All right, here you go. So again, radiator, flathead. It's the one that's still in it. It'll go with the vehicle. There you have it. Like I said, check out the still pictures. There'll be plenty of those for you to view. And you got questions, give us a holler. Numbers 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures down below this video. There's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you there. We can assist with shipping, getting this car to where you're located at. We do consider trades. 1947 Mercury 8 four-door wagon, otherwise known as a Woody wagon or a Series 79M. Give us a call looking for a nice restoration project.